Most Toronto homeowners have no idea their house is already worth $150,000 more than they think. They just haven't unlocked it yet. You love your street, your kids' school, your neighbors, but your house? It's too small. And moving? With land transfer tax, realtor fees, and today's mortgage rates, you'd spend $60,000 to $80,000 just to leave before you even buy anything better. Here's what the smart money is doing instead: building up, out, or back. A home addition, and in most cases, it pays for itself. We've been doing this in Toronto for over 20 years. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what it costs, what the city allows, and how to decide if it's right for you. 4 types. Each one solves a different problem. Second-story additions. You build a full new floor on top of your existing bungalow. We've taken 900 square foot homes to 1,800 square feet. The result looks like it was always 2 stories. Nobody can tell. Rear additions. Push the back of your house out 10 to 25 feet. Bigger kitchen, family room, main floor primary suite. And if you want those big sliding doors opening to the backyard, this is how you get them. Side additions. Narrower in scale, but a proper mudroom, laundry room, or widened kitchen changes how a house feels every single day. Laneway homes. Toronto has 48,000 laneways, and the city now lets you build a fully self-contained unit on yours. Rental income, in-law suite, or straight-up property value. This is one of the best-kept real estate plays in the city. Here's where people get scared, and they shouldn't. Every addition needs a building permit. No exceptions. Anyone offering to skip it is offering you a lawsuit. We've done a full video on why, links above. The fast version on zoning. Toronto caps lot coverage at 33 to 40%. Side yard setbacks are typically 1.2 meters, front setbacks around 7.5 meters. Height limits vary by zone. If your project pushes those limits, even slightly, you'll need a minor variance from the Committee of Adjustment. That's a 3 to 4 month process with a public hearing. We've done hundreds of them. It's not scary when you know how it works. Standard permit timeline, 4 to 8 weeks for most additions. Variance applications, 3 to 6 months. We tell you this up front, so the timeline is never a surprise. The number everyone wants. Here it is. Rear addition, 200 to 400 square feet, $150,000 to $300,000. Second-story addition, $250,000 to $500,000. That range exists because structural requirements and finishes vary. We'll give you a specific number early in our process. Laneway home, $250,000 to $400,000 fully finished. Now the ROI. A well-executed second-story addition in Toronto typically adds 1.5 to 2 times its cost in property value. A laneway home can generate $2,000 to $3,500 per month in rent. Compare that to moving, where $60,000 to $80,000 disappears in transaction costs before you've gained a single room. And the math almost always points the same direction. Build, don't move. What's different about working with us? Design, permits, and construction are all one team. No coordinating between 3 different companies. One call, one accountable party. Every project starts with a free feasibility review. We look at your property, your zoning, your structure, and give you a clear picture of what's possible and what it'll cost. Zero obligation. Thinking about an addition? Start with a conversation. Book your free consultation at norsemanconstruction.ca. Links in the description. We'll tell you exactly what your property can do.